Okay, that's the main room complete. Cabin beds are all done for this stage. We've got 2 alcove beds and we've got this main wall. So that's 6 beds in total. A lot of work has gone into this build. So I thought I'd just give you a walkthrough of all of the details and all of the features behind the scenes of how it all came together. Firstly, the main mattresses are going to be small doubles. Currently they've just got singles in. The ones below are going to be pull-out trundle beds. What we've done here is we've put them on Blum HK lifts. And then, as you can see below, these just pull out. So the mattresses will be custom sizes. Okay, there's that. First up with the main cupboard, big push to open door, extra deep storage. This is all 18mm Egger in an antique rose. Push to open drawers here, Blum Meventos, tip on with depth adjustment, stacks of storage. And you can also see these picture frames either side. The client wanted openings for the children to be able to see through to each other, and also there's somewhere to put their drinks. The bed frames themselves was a combination of solid tulip wood and Finster Hydrofugo MDF. Simple mortise and tenon joints, along with the use of dominoes and lamello clamexes to pull it all together with some glue. You can also see, if you come down here, the frame for the door below for the trundle bed. So this is just dominoed and pocket screwed in, and then it's clamexed up. Same as the other side. The lower section is a pull-out trundle bed. So we've put these on Blum HK lifts. There's lots of adjustment on them, which is handy. These beds have just been constructed with dominoes, clamexes, pocket screws, put them on casters. And then this frame here has been clamexed and pulled up. Right, that's alcove bed number 1. You can see we've got a very similar design to the main bed with this curved facade that's been CNC'd. This was tricky installing, as you can imagine, because you've got the angled ceiling coming down, you've got scribes either side. So we actually templated this piece before fitting, just to make sure it was absolutely perfect. The beds themselves, we tried to keep the design fairly simple because they can just be leveled up. MDF and solid tulip construction. This will all be painted in the same as the main beds. Now on this alcove opposite, we wanted to match the detail as closely as possible. But you can see here, the client wants to be able to open these slats. So during the design stage, we just had to come up with an idea of how we could achieve that curve, but also leave this free for this to open. So this is what we came up with in the end. Templated the actual facade itself before fitting it to try and keep the scribing and cutting to a minimum. Bed frame, the same as the one opposite, just leveled up to suit with scribed panels all around the outside. This will be hand painted with floral decorations as well, the same as the previous beds.